This video is for the D sharp minor triad, arpeggio. Or you could say the E flat minor, either one, because it's 6 sharps or 6 flats, but they cover the same keys on the piano. Both of those key signatures cover. So I'm just going to talk which you want, sharps or flats. Let's go ahead and do flats now, because we're at the point on the circle of fifths where we're going to start adding or start taking away flats. See, the last video we did was 7 flats or 5 sharps. Now it's 6 sharps or 6 flats. We add a sharp or take a flat away. The next one will be 5 flats or 7 sharps, excuse me. But we're going to subtract flats. So now I'm going to talk about it as though it is flats. So E flat minor is what I'm going to cover. And it's going to be these notes: E flat, G flat, B flat, and then all black keys again. Here, and for the left hand, it is E flat, 4th finger on the G flat, here. So it's here. And again, this is off because it's all flats. You pretty much got to get this drilled into this pattern into your fingers, into the muscle memory, because you don't have, you need to be able to feel this and be able to do it pretty much without looking at the keyboard eventually. I recommend that tremolo exercise, 1 and 2 octaves up and down. Wouldn't hurt to do 3 and 4 too, but because here you're just drilling this into the feeling, the physical feeling of where these notes are on the hands. And then do 2 octaves when you get this done. Make sure you accent. So forth. Now for the triads, again, it's the same pattern as all the others. 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves at 1, 2, 3, and 4 notes per beat. You can start down here, and we start here. And because the thumbs they're all black keys, you're starting on little finger. The turnaround finger is going to be the little finger. You can start on that. And 2 octaves. Contra and the whole bit, and then do the inversions. This is where the fun is. Here, it's the same fingering as though you're going to do it here. So we're going to start 4th finger here. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves, just like you did before, and the parallel and contrary. And again, because when you get to the contrary on these inversions, the notes are going crazy and you're crossing at different times. You need to have this feeling drilled into your hand. You need to know what that feeling is. That's where the tremolo exercise comes in. That drills it in. And keep it slow, down around 50. Don't go fast on this. It's all we're after.